Binance stands as one of the most influential and widely used platforms in the cryptocurrency world today, serving as a gateway for millions of users to access the digital economy. On Binance, users can easily buy, sell, and trade a vast array of digital currencies, including popular coins like Bitcoin and Ethereum, as well as hundreds of other altcoins. Launched in 2017, Binance quickly rose to prominence thanks to its intuitive, user-friendly interface and some of the lowest trading fees in the industry, making it accessible for both beginners and experienced traders. The platform supports an extensive selection of cryptocurrencies, giving users the flexibility to explore and invest in a wide range of digital assets, from established coins to emerging tokens. But Binance isn't just about trading. It also offers innovative features like Binance Earn, where users can generate passive income through staking, savings, and other financial products, making it a versatile platform for all types of investors. With a strong reputation for security, reliability, and global reach, Binance has attracted millions of users from every corner of the world, building a vibrant and active community. Advanced security technologies, such as two-factor authentication and withdrawal whitelist features, are in place to protect user data and funds, ensuring that your assets remain safe at all times. For those new to crypto, Binance offers a wealth of educational resources through Binance Academy, providing guides, tutorials, and videos to help beginners understand the basics and build their confidence. In this video, we'll walk you through the essential steps to making money on Binance, even if you're starting from scratch with no prior experience in cryptocurrency. We'll break down different methods for earning on Binance, from simple spot trading to more advanced strategies, and provide clear, step-by-step instructions so you can follow along with ease. So whether you're looking to trade, invest, or simply learn more about the world of crypto, let's dive in and start your Binance journey together today. You don't need any special skills or a background in finance to start using Binance. Whether you're a student, a working professional, or just someone curious about cryptocurrency, Binance is built to welcome everyone. The platform is designed to be accessible, so you can jump in even if you've never traded before. The interface is clean and intuitive, making it easy for beginners to find their way around. Clear menus, helpful icons, and step-by-step prompts guide you through every action, from signing up to making your first trade. Creating an account is quick and straightforward. All you need is an email address and a few minutes to fill out the registration form. Binance will walk you through the process, ensuring you feel confident every step of the way. Once you're registered, you can take your time exploring the platform. There's no rush. Move at your own pace, click through the different features, and get comfortable with the layout. Binance offers a wide range of tutorials, video guides, and articles to help you learn the basics. These resources are designed for absolute beginners, breaking down complex topics into simple, easy-to-understand lessons. Remember, everyone starts somewhere. Even the most experienced traders were once beginners just like you. The important thing is to take that first step and keep moving forward. Start small, perhaps by making a tiny investment or simply observing the markets. As you gain experience, you'll naturally build your knowledge and confidence. Take time to learn the basics of cryptocurrency, what it is, how it works, and why it's changing the world of finance. Understanding the market will help you make smarter decisions as you go. Binance's demo account is a fantastic tool for beginners. It lets you practice trading with virtual funds, so you can experiment and learn without any risk to your real money. Use this opportunity to test out different strategies, watch how the markets move, and get a feel for trading. The more you practice, the more confident you'll become. Don't hesitate to reach out for help. The Binance community is full of friendly users and experts who are happy to answer questions and share advice. Online forums and chat groups are great places to learn from others' experiences. Engaging with others can help you avoid common mistakes and pick up useful tips. You'll find that many people are eager to support newcomers and share what they've learned. Remember, making money on Binance is a journey, not a race. It's normal to make mistakes and learn as you go. Every experience, good or bad, helps you grow as a trader. With patience and persistence, you'll soon feel comfortable navigating the platform and making informed decisions. Over time, what once seemed complicated will become second nature. The key is to keep learning, stay curious, and never be afraid to ask questions. Your journey with Binance can be as rewarding as you make it, so take that first step today and see where it leads you. Binance offers several ways to earn, catering to different preferences and risk levels. Trading is popular. Buy and sell cryptocurrencies to profit from price changes. Staking lets you earn rewards by holding certain coins in your account. It's a more passive way to grow your assets. Binance's savings feature allows you to earn interest on your crypto, similar to a traditional savings account. This is a low-risk option for steady growth. There's also a referral program. Invite friends and earn commissions from their trading fees. Each method has unique benefits and can be combined for maximum earnings. Whether you prefer active trading or passive income, Binance has something for you. Explore these options to find what fits your style. Let's break down how to get started with each. Trading on Binance is simple, even for beginners. First, deposit funds into your Binance account. Either transfer crypto or buy directly with a credit card. Go to the Markets section to view available trading pairs. Select a pair, like BTC/ETH, to access the trading page with real-time charts. Decide whether to buy or sell, enter the amount, and choose your order type, market or limit. Market orders execute instantly. Limit orders let you set your price. Review your order before confirming. After trading, monitor your investment's performance. Use stop-loss and take-profit orders to manage risk and lock in gains. As you gain experience, develop your own strategies. Remember, start small and only invest what you can afford to lose. Trading involves risk, so always stay informed. Staking on Binance is a straightforward way to earn passive income. Make sure your account is funded with a supported cryptocurrency. Check Binance's staking page to see which coins are eligible. Go to the Earn section and select Staking. Browse available staking products and review their terms and rewards. Choose a product, enter the amount to stake, and confirm your participation. Some products have a lockup period. Make sure you're comfortable with it. Your staked coins will start earning rewards right away. Track your rewards and performance on the dashboard. Diversify your staking to reduce risk. Staking is a great way to grow your assets with minimal effort. Binance's savings feature lets you earn interest on your crypto easily. Log in and head to the Earn section, then select Savings. Choose between flexible savings, which allow withdrawals anytime, or fixed savings for higher rates. Review the terms, including interest rates and lockup periods. Enter the amount you want to deposit and confirm. Your funds start earning interest immediately. Track your interest and performance on the dashboard. Flexible savings offer liquidity. Fixed savings offer higher returns. Diversify across products and coins to minimize risk. Savings is a low-risk way to grow your digital assets. Security is crucial when using Binance or any crypto platform. Enable two-factor authentication for extra protection. Watch out for phishing scams. Always check the website URL. Bookmark the official Binance site to avoid fake pages. Use strong, unique passwords and update them regularly. Never share your login details or respond to suspicious messages. Keep your devices and software updated for added security. Following these tips helps keep your funds safe while you invest. Let's dive into some real stories of everyday people who found success and new opportunities by using Binance. These examples show that no matter your background or experience, there's a path for you to grow your money and learn valuable skills along the way. Take Sarah, for example. She's a college student who started her journey with just $100. At first, she felt overwhelmed by all the options, but she decided to use Binance's educational resources and the demo account to practice trading without risking real money. This helped her build confidence and understand how the markets work. Over several months, Sarah carefully studied market trends, watched tutorials, and joined online communities to ask questions. By trading smartly and staying informed, she gradually grew her investment from $100 to $1,000. Her story shows that with patience and a willingness to learn, even beginners can see real results. Then there's Tom, a busy professional who didn't have much time to actively trade. Instead, he explored Binance's staking options to earn passive income while focusing on his career. Tom researched different coins, picked one with strong rewards, and locked his funds for a set period. He made a habit of reinvesting his earnings, letting his assets grow steadily in the background. Staking allowed Tom to watch his portfolio increase without the stress of daily trading. He could check in occasionally, see his rewards, and enjoy the peace of mind that comes with a hands-off approach. Lisa, on the other hand, preferred a low-risk strategy. She used Binance's flexible savings products, which let her earn interest on her crypto, while still having access to her funds whenever she needed them. Over the course of a year, Lisa accumulated significant interest and diversified her portfolio by spreading her investments across different assets. This approach gave her both security and steady growth. These stories highlight that anyone, students, professionals, or cautious savers, can find a strategy that fits their lifestyle and goals. Success on Binance isn't about luck, it's about making informed choices and staying consistent. Whether you're interested in trading, staking, or saving, Binance offers a variety of tools and resources to help you succeed. There's truly an opportunity for everyone. The key is to start small, stay informed, and be patient as you learn. Don't be afraid to ask questions or seek out advice from the community. Remember, consistency and a commitment to learning are the foundation of long-term success. Set realistic goals, track your progress, and keep building your knowledge. With dedication and the right approach, you too can achieve your financial goals on Binance, just like Sarah, Tom, and Lisa. Binance offers multiple ways for beginners to make money online. Explore trading, staking, savings, and referrals to find what suits you best. Start small, keep learning, and understand the risks before investing. Use Binance's resources and community for support. As you gain experience, your confidence will grow. Don't be discouraged by setbacks. Success takes time and effort. Take the first step and begin your Binance journey today. With the right mindset, you can reach your financial goals.